Which of these judgments was the reason for the first ever amendment in the Constitution concerning admission of backward classes to educational institutions? A. Champakam Doraijan was State of Madras 1951. B. M.R. Balaji and others was State of Mysore 1962. C. Chitralekha was State of Mysore 1964. D. S.V. Balaram versus State of Andhra Pradesh 1972. Answer. State of Madras versus Champakam Doiranjan Ayer 1951 SC 226 is a landmark decision of the Supreme Court of India. This verdict led to the First Amendment of the Constitution of India. It was the first major verdict regarding the reservation in Republic of India. In its ruling, the Supreme Court upheld the Madras High Court verdict, which in turn had struck down the communal government order (GO) passed in 1927 in the Madras Presidency. The communal GO had provided caste-based reservation in government jobs and college seats. The Supreme Court's verdict held that providing such reservation was in violation of Article 16, Subclause 2 of the Indian Constitution.